Getting a Bovada voucher is a straightforward process that allows you to deposit funds into your Bovada account without using traditional payment methods. To start, you need to have a Bovada account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account on the Bovada website. Once you have an account, log in and navigate to the deposit section, where you will find the voucher option. Click on the voucher option and you will be given a unique voucher code. You can then share this code with a friend or use it to fund your own account. To purchase a voucher, go to a participating retailer such as a convenience store or a pharmacy, and provide the voucher code to the cashier. The cashier will then provide you with a receipt that contains a redemption code. Go back to the Bovada website, navigate to the deposit section, and select the voucher option. Enter the redemption code from the receipt, and the funds will be instantly credited to your Bovada account. It is essential to note that vouchers are only available for purchase in certain locations, and the availability of vouchers may vary depending on your location. Additionally, there may be fees associated with purchasing a voucher, so be sure to check the terms and conditions before making a purchase. To avoid any issues, make sure to only purchase vouchers from authorized retailers, and never share your voucher code with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily get a Bovada voucher and start using it to fund your Bovada account.